Hey everybody, this is Shantae Gray. I am answering the question of the day. Don't forget to connect with our real estate buyer agent mastermind group and our YouTube channel, Shantae Gray TV. As well, you can send me an email, shantaegray@gmail.com, and send a Facebook message. Messenger works great, or you could just reply, whichever is convenient for you. So here's the question. The question is from a buyer, and this is for buyer agents, by the way, buyer agents and even listing agents who may deal with buyers. But the question I always get from buyers is, how can I improve my credit fast? And as you may or may not know, I have wrote a book on credit repair, teaching people how to repair their own credit and not utilize credit repair companies. So this information is definitely coming from the book and from experience. All right, so the question is, how can I improve my credit fast? And they want to improve their credit fast so that they can purchase their first home or building or condo or whatever it is, even if they're second-time home buyers and they just need to make some improvements and they want to do them quickly. I'm going to throw out one tip. One of the tips definitely would be to connect with our credit repair course. But if you're not able to do that right away, here's a tip that will be very helpful for potential buyers. One of the things that is a secret in the industry, and it may not be a secret anymore actually, it may definitely be out, and hopefully it's out to a lot of real estate agents, is go on someone's credit card, a family member or friend, as an authorized user or joint obligation holder. And what that does for your credit report is you get to borrow that person's 24-month credit history on that one particular account. And the impact of paying your bills on time for the past 24 months, that impact on a person's credit report today is gigantic, enormous, actually. And it has dramatic effects. I've seen people do this that I've coached, and their credit scores went up 100+ points within 30 days. Some 60 points, some 40 points. It really all depends on how many negative things you have on your credit report. So the good has to outweigh the bad. That's basically what that says. And that's what those algorithms say. If you've got more good activities on your credit report, low balances, good payment history, and your usage is low, which is your low balances, and you're paying your bills on time, which is payment history, and you've got a good mix of credit, which could be auto loans and credit cards and student loans or whatever. You don't actually have to have student loans and auto loans to be perceived as a good credit borrower. But if you've got a good mix and you've got history on your credit report, 9 times out of 10, your credit scores are going to be high. So the good has to outweigh the bad. If you've got more good going on your credit report than bad, then that's how your scores are improved and that's how you're perceived. If you've got 20, 30 collections and one good account, you're guaranteed to not have a high credit score. So the possibility of improving your scores with just adding on that authorized user account or joint obligation holder account, it can have a little bit of impact, but if you've got a lot of collections, you're more than likely going to have to clear those collections up. In my credit repair course, we teach you how to get those collections cleared up, or even teach you which ones to bother with and which ones not to. And especially for buyer agents, how to direct that particular buyer to know exactly which accounts they need to challenge and which ones they don't, so that they can get maximum results. Hopefully that information was helpful for you. Be looking for our credit repair course, the launching of it. And if you need that 27-point checklist I use with my buyers so that my transactions go smooth and I'm sure to get to the closing table, send me an email or click one of the links. Have a great day.